It's moving. What happens if you take a lot of matcha? Picking up on its finest and you get a lot of energy. Oh, you're there. Hi guys, we're here at Osaka Castle. Can you see that? So come and join me and let's explore. Last day natin. Anong line ba to? The Nichi line. Ilang walks? 20 minutes walk.
21 minutes.
Try ko nga. Our last day here in Osaka. So most likely, last tour will be Osaka Castle and then we're gonna go back to our hotel at 3 o'clock. And from hotel, going to the airport. We still have like 16 minutes to walk going to Osaka Castle. Break time muna. O ano, maglalagay ulit tayo ng hitek. So windy. Alam mo kung walang araw yan, sobrang lamig siguro nito.
Nakita mo yung map? Diyan papunta?
Currently, we are still walking towards Osaka Castle.
Silipin lang natin. Let's go, let's go.
And around Osaka Castle, you'd see a lot of events that are going on. You can check their package price for Osaka Castle, Tourette's, and the garden. The entrance at Nishinomeri Garden has a fee. It's located adjacent to Osaka Castle. The park has a nice landscape, superb spot for strolling, relaxing. Definitely garden is a must visit during spring or autumn season. But if you don't want to avail the package price, you have a choice if you just want to purchase the garden fee.
Yeah, check natin yung weather. Weather is, ano bang weather today? 18, pero sobrang init. Dun at 18 degrees, kaya pa sobrang init.
I thought it was just 16 minutes of walking from that convenience store a while ago. We're supposed to be at Osaka Castle by now, but it seems like we've been walking for a longer time now. So maybe we'll stop by at this food stall and we'll just take another break.
Let's have yakitori. Yeah, I think so. Let's try Kobe beef. Ating magkakapatid. Wait lang, tumutulo eh. Ito, okay. Hanggang saan?
But just to try the Kobe beef, we almost got hit by a car.
Sayang yung Kobe beef. Nakita nyo?
Ayan no, ay sayang.
Lagdo naman siya. Last bite. Wala na, matigas siya sa. Tagal kasi kumain eh. Okay, doon tayo pupunta sa castle. That one. So how can we go there? Arrive here in our destination, which is Osaka Castle, which is over there, the background.
Osaka Castle is one of the largest castle in Japan, which was built in 1580s. There is an admission ticket upon entering the castle. Inside you'll see historical museum and observatory platforms. For today, we're not planning to go inside and we will just chill out here. And in front of Osaka Castle, we have Miraiza Osaka-jo. This is known to be a former Japanese army headquarters, but now functioning as dining and shopping mall.
Wait lang, pinifilm ko pa. Buy 500. Osaka Castle. Tapos yung reverse side. Dito ka lalagay name? Okay.
So after a long walk, we are gonna grab some more food.
Meron doon udon? Ay, takoyaki.
So in this restaurant, there is a DIY space for condiments area for your takoyaki and okonomiyaki. Don't worry, there's a direction on how to do it, so you can enjoy your food based on your desired preference.
Sit everything because it's raw. And then, they're gonna slurp it. Legit takoyaki in Japan. What is inside? Di ba octopus to? Octopus. It has a piece of octopus. So look at the consistency inside. It's soft in the inside. Just a little bit chewy. Everything in Japan is self-service. You have to return your trays, segregate your waste, because it's very important here in Japan. Okay, so next we're gonna get some ice cream. Matcha ice cream. Take the queue to get the ice cream because they said that it's a bestseller here.
これも欲しい。
And it's now my turn to order in Japanese.
Goregomoshi. Yes, for me. Okay, so this is the best seller. The most expensive ice cream here. It's 2,000 yen. Ano lasa ng gold?
Dito talaga.
Itong ginto. Pwede ba tong isanla?
Here comes the airplane. Say ah. Alright, so let's have a taste.
Actually, the gold doesn't have a taste. Not too sweet, not too bitter, just perfect. So, if you want a legit matcha, you know where to go. For 2,000 yen just for the aesthetic. Normal matcha without the gold leaf, just 800 yen.
Difference between the two is 1,200 yen.
Recommendation, just get the plain matcha without the golden leaf.
Because without golden leaf, it's more practical. But if you're curious with the taste of the golden leaf, just prepare your 2,000 yen. Oh, by the way, this is where we're having our meal at the moment. This is the name of the restaurant.
We're gonna take the tram because we don't have time. Alright, let's go. Cab will just take for like 10 minutes. So are we taking the taxi or what? Oh, I can't really decide, man. Because we're running out of time. They're gonna pick us at 3 at the hotel because we need to go to the airport. Gonna go back to the train station because we're heading out. Where are we heading to, mate? We're heading to Namba Station because the van will just pick us up there at the hotel because it's our last day and we're gonna leave Osaka, going to Tokyo and to fly to Manila. Your Suica is closed. This is our Suica. This is important more than your life because you can't go home without a Suica. Good evening guys, konbanwa minasan. We are here in Osaka Airport.
Since we arrived early at the airport,
Have to kill our time in a very relaxing way. So here is our, call this, chair massager.
they totally know that we deserve a massage after traveling around Japan. And it cost for 300 yen. You have to remove your shoes and put it on the tray.
300 yen to pay later. Wait, let's remove our shoes first.
So I'm already here inside the chair and I'm ready to go.
Okay, so can you help me, Mr. Guy with no head? Alright, you're moving. What's going on? Our massage chair will begin. Oh, sarap po. Massage your back, your head, your feet, especially your feet if you've been tired walking around Japan. Parang drone na. Looks like a drone, guys.
I'll just enjoy my relaxing time here and I'll see you later.